Formic in finding the solution was very helpful. They walked through us the whole process. They went over a bunch of different options for us and basically allowed us to work with them to figure out what's going to work best for us in trying to, find our end goal of eliminating the need for operators on some of these machines.
The end result isn't what we talked about in the beginning. This actually was a great result for the end, but the beginning of it was much more convoluted, the ideas that we brought to Formic, and Formic was able to boil it down to the essence that we needed and took away of all the things that we were adding that didn't need to be there and added a few that did need to be there. So they brought a lot and took a lot away that we were gonna upscale and didn't need. Typically in our business, we usually do a gantry or a beam robot. They wanted to come up with this collaborative robot, the robot that we have currently. And the beam robot takes up a lot more real estate. There would have been a lot more things that didn't need to be there. This collaborative robot took away a lot of that. It's easier to start and stop for the operators. You don't have to have a lot of training involved in the operator's side. So that's the part that it does. The other beam robots, you actually have to have trained professionals here to get them going. The end of arms, the way things have to be set up, everything takes much longer. It's easier to break a robot that way. This is either on or off, and it just runs all day long.